Hi students, in number system I already told you how to add integers and how to subtract integers. Addition and subtraction of integers we have done. Once again let us see here. If there is same symbol either plus plus or minus minus, simply to add and write same symbol. Okay, if there is same symbol, what should you do? Add and write same symbol. Okay, if two different symbols are there, subtract and write big value symbol. Okay, this concept you should get perfectly. If there is same symbols, what should you do? Add and write same symbol. Different symbols means we have to subtract and write big value symbol. You look at the first question. Add 13 and 15. First one. 13 and 15 means 13 plus 15. Right? So what to do here? Same symbols only, no? What did I tell you? If there is two same symbols, immediately add 28 and write same symbol means plus. Second one, minus 13 and 15. Add. What should you do now? Minus plus. Same symbols or different symbols? Different symbols. So we should subtract 15 minus 13, 2. And write big value symbol. What is the big value here? 15. That symbol you should write plus. Third one, 13 plus. What should you do? Minus 15. So here what should you do? You know, 13. Here plus into minus you should multiply. Plus into minus, minus 15. I told you product rule. Do you remember? Minus plus into plus, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus into plus. Product rule. Plus plus, minus minus. You must remember this. Okay? Plus into minus, minus 50. Now plus minus. Different symbols, no? So what should you do? You have to subtract 15 minus 13. 2. Which one is the bigger one here? 15. The symbol is minus. So answer is minus 2. Fourth one. Minus 13 plus of minus 15. Minus 13 plus into minus, minus 50. Again same symbols are there. Minus minus. So what should you do? Add and write same symbol. So minus 28. Okay? That is the first one. Clear now? So you have to remember, same symbols means add and write same symbol. Different symbols means subtract and write big value symbol. Okay? Let us see the second one. Second one also same but small bigger values. Second question. First one, 259 plus 214. Same symbols only now. Add and write same symbol now. 9 plus 4, 13. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 2, 4. Plus 473. Because two positive symbols are there. Add and write same symbol. Okay. Now, minus 528. Plus of minus 243. So one more step we should write here. Minus 528 plus into minus minus. I told you here two different symbols. Plus into minus, minus 243. Now again same symbols but minus minus. What should you do? Add. 8 plus 3 11. 7 7. But what should you do? Write same symbol. Whenever we add write same symbol. Subtract means write big value symbol. Don't forget that. Okay. Minus 623 plus 326. Minus plus means different symbols. Different symbols means what should you do? Big value minus small value, subtract. How much? 7, 9, 297. Okay, 297. But which one is the bigger one here? 623. That symbol is what? Minus. Whenever you subtract, write big value symbol. Okay. Fourth, 258 plus of minus 473. So one more step you should write here. 258 plus into minus minus 473. So what is my answer here? Subtraction or addition? Subtraction, because different symbols are there. 473 minus 258. 215. But which one is the bigger one here? 258 or 473? 473 is the bigger, so that symbol you should write. Fifth one, minus 622 plus of minus 254. Minus 622 plus into minus minus 254. Same symbols are there, so immediately you should add and write same symbol. Okay, 6, 7, 8. 876. So sixth one, 257 plus of minus 254. So 257 plus into minus minus 254. Subtract. 3, 0. That means 3 only, no? So which one is the bigger one here? 257. That symbol you should write. Plus. Okay? So that is the way you should remember. Same symbol, add and write same symbol. Different symbols, subtract and write big value symbol. Okay? Let us see third one. Third, subtract 5 from 8. From 8 means from 8 you should subtract 5. 8 minus 5. Subtract 5 from 8 means 8 minus 5. From where you have to subtract 5? 8. So 8 minus 5 how much? 3. Because different symbols and value is big here. 8 is bigger, so plus. Next, subtract minus 5 from 8. 8 minus of minus 5. Because what we are subtracting? Minus 5 we are subtracting from 8. So 8 minus into minus plus 5. No doubt 8 plus 5 how much? 13. Okay. Next one, 4 from minus 7. So minus 7 minus 4. Same symbols, no? Add and write same symbol. 7 plus 4, 11. Write minus. So from minus 2, what should you subtract? Minus 8. From minus 2, I am subtracting minus 8. So minus 2 minus into minus plus 8. So 8 minus 2 how much? 6. 8 is the bigger value, that symbol you should write plus. Okay? This is the way you have to calculate the values. Okay? Hope it is clear. Practice more yourself. Thank you.